If you want to sign out of your Leonardo AI account quickly, this video will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or just want to log out for security, the process is very simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Leonardo AI homepage at app.leonardo.ai. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the account you want to log out of. You should see the Leonardo AI dashboard or home screen. Now look toward the top corner of the page and find your profile icon. This is usually where your account settings and profile options are located. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. After the menu appears, you'll see several account-related options. From here, simply select Log Out. Leonardo AI will immediately sign you out of the current account and you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully signed out of your Leonardo AI account. It's a quick process, but it's always useful to know if you're using multiple accounts or need to protect your privacy on a shared device. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.